So if we look at the first one, okay, is the radical by itself?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, so we can go ahead and square both sides. Erica, get off your phone. Okay, and what that does is that makes this side cancel out the radical and the square, okay? They're opposites of each other. So what is 2 squared? 4 equals, and what do we have left? 3. This one is done. Okay, look at 3. Is the radical by itself?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, there's nothing in front of it and there's nothing on the outside of the house, okay? So we can go ahead and square both sides. Okay, and so this is gonna cancel out that house. So you're gonna be left with r over 2 equals what? 4. Okay, and then what? What does r over 2 mean?
Divide, so times.
It means divide, so we're gonna times by 2 on both sides. So times 2 times 2. So we get r equals 4 times 2, it's gonna be 8.
Wait, so like number 4, we would divide by
Mhm.
3.
Yep. Okay, look at 5. What's gonna be our first step to do? Yeah, we need to square both sides, okay? So squared and squared. Okay, so on this side, you're gonna be left with a plus 4 equals what?
6.
16.
How you get 16?
4 squared, so if you type it on a calculator,
Oh,
it's 4 times 4. Okay, so then we're gonna say, then what? Minus 4. And then what is 16 minus 4? 12.
So for like, you see how for number 5 we put squared? Because this one can come over.
Yep, so you need to move that first. This one, you would move this first and then square it. That's what you do. Okay, 7. What's gonna be our first step?
Squared.
Yep, squared. Okay, what is 2 squared? 4 equals 4r. Okay, and then what? We're gonna divide by 4. What is 4 divided by 4? 1. Okay, 9. What needs done first?
Plus 2.
Plus 2 on both sides. Okay, so we're gonna get a square root of p equals, what is negative 1 plus 2?
1.
Just positive 1. Okay, then what?
Squared.
We're gonna go ahead and square both sides. Okay, so we're left with p equals,
1.
what is 1 squared?
1.
1. Okay, 11. What needs done first? Yeah, put the 2 on there. So square both sides. And then the house is gone. So we got a equals, what is 4 squared? 16. Good. Okay, 13. We're starting to get a little more complex. What needs done first?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay, we have to have the squared. That should be the only thing over there. Okay, so minus 2 on both sides. So we got a square root of b minus 4 equals 7 minus 2 is going to be 5. Okay, and then what?
Squared.
We're going to square both sides. Okay, so we get b minus 4 equals, what is 5 squared? 25. Okay, and then what?
Plus 4.
We're gonna add 4 to both sides. So we got b equals 29.
Wait, what do we do with the exponents? With it.
Okay, 15.
Divide by 4. Plus divide by -4.
It's not plus 4.
Divide by.
Yeah, okay, so see how it's like right next to each other without a sign. So like, the 18, it's got a plus in between. Same thing with the 17, then that lets you know that it's not the times. But if there's no sign in between, then that means it's 4 times that radical. So we're gonna divide by -4 on both sides. Okay, so -12 divided by -4,
3.
it's gonna be 3 equals square root of n plus 2.
Square.
Good, we're gonna square both sides. What is 3 squared? 9 equals n plus 2. Oh, shoot. N plus 2,
Plus 2.
Minus 2.
not plus 2,
Minus 2.
minus 2, good. 9 minus 2,
7.
7 equals n. Okay, 17. What needs done first?
Minus 5.
Minus 5, good. So we're gonna say minus 5, minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? 3, so we got b plus 3 equals 3.
You do -3. No square.
Square it first. Okay, so we're gonna get b plus 3 equals 9.
Minus 3.
And then we can minus 3 from both sides. So we get b equals 6. Okay, 19. What needs done first? Square them. Okay, so we're gonna get 3 squared is 9 equals n minus 1. Then what? Plus 1, plus 1. So we're gonna get 10 equals n. Okay, 21. What needs done first?
Square.
Minus 6.
Uh-uh.
No, minus 1.
Huh?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay, so we get 5 equals square root of b plus 3.
Square.
Square both sides.
25 equals b plus 3.
Good.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
2 equals b.
You said 22?
Yeah.
Okay, 23. What needs done first? Squared and squared. So you get a minus 5 equals 9. Then what? Plus 5, plus 5. We get A equals 14. Okay, what about 25? What needs done first?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. So we get 5 equals square root of R. Then what?
Plus. I'm at minus 5.
No, that's opposite of that. You multiply that too.
Squared.
Square root of that.
So we're gonna get 25 equals R. Okay, 27, what needs done first?
Times 3.
Squared and squared. Okay, so we're gonna get 25 equals B over 3.
Times by 3.
Times by 3. So we're gonna get, what's 25 times 3?
75 equals B.
Good. $29, what needs done first? Uh-uh,
Minus. No, divide.
Divide by negative 5.
divide by negative 5. Okay, and those are probably the trickiest ones, okay? So if there's no plus or minus sign between that number and that square root, then you know you have to divide, okay? That means times, so we gotta divide. So you're gonna get square root of n equals 5,
Square.
and then square them. So you get n equals 25.